In today's video, we're going to be deep diving into the Mogwai Reversal strategy and explain to you why you should trade this strategy. So enjoy today's video. Before we deep dive into the Mogwai Reversal strategy, I want to show you some recent results with this because I've been trading 8 years and I have never seen so much incredible results come from a strategy from literally day one. The results are insane. Let me just show you, okay? This is today, okay? Yay, a nice win. If I keep scrolling up here, in fact, I'll do it the easy way. Some results here. This was me this morning, okay? Trading with the BD members. Again, this one here. I've passed the first stage of this challenge, £5,000 Mogwai Reversal strategy. Again, nice little sell, nice little buy. Again, nice little buy. This is me this morning. As you can see, it's the 15th of the 1st. Today's date is the 15th of the 1st. So, you know, I've had 100% personally today. Nice little sell. This is me, obviously, this morning. Nice little buy on USD/JPY. Okay, again, before, after. Again, nice little sell. Again, here, nice little buy. Again, nice little buy. Honestly, the results just go on and on as on. Look at this one here. So this is a members results. 24% in December and January. 30% on WTI. Not sure what that means. 17% on GP/JPY. This is from December to January. Let's keep going here. Okay, let's keep going here. Again, nice little sell. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful sell. Again, that one. A nice little before. Oh, that was it. Before. After. Look at that. Again, nice little sell. I just wanted to show you something, if I could find it. Again, nice little results from that member. Again, I mean, like I said, it just goes on and on and on and on and on. Look at that nice little sell there. Again, nice little sell there. Nice little sell there. Oh, that one's a stop loss. Nice little buy there. And notice they're all 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. Okay, what I wanted to show you, again, here. And again here. Again here. Again here. Again, here we go here. Phase 1 passed 8%. So this BD member, I'm not joking you, passed a prop firm challenge in 1 day. 1 day. Watch this. You ready? Watch this. You ready? Look. Incredible day, guys. Started trading this account just this morning. 14% made yesterday. 6% made today. 25 grand account. 25k prop firm passed in 7 hours. That's the power of the Mogwai Reversal strategy. Passed in 7 hours. Okay, let me see if I can find that. Keep going up here. Let me just show you, right? Ready? You'll actually see, again, before and after. Again, before and after. It just goes on and on and on and on. Again, nice little buy. Nice little sell. Nice little buy. Nice little sell. 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 Another sell. And that's a stop loss got hit. What's this one here? 2 quick trades while on holiday. What an amazing strategy. There you go there. Insane. I'm telling you right now, I could spend all day, just constantly. Look, win, more money made, another win, more money, a nice little buy just there. Is that a sell? Okay, again, I'll try and find you before and after. Again, nice little buy, a nice little sell. Look at this one here. If this week carries on, I'll be 22% in 1 week. 22%. Yeah, like I said, I could go on and on and on with this strategy, But let's deep dive into it. The Mogwai Reversal strategy. Why was it created? Why do we trade it? And why should you trade it going forward? So the Mogwai Reversal strategy was created by a BD member called Michael Austin. He's actually an admin now. He joined me literally in the first week, 8 years ago. And since then, he's essentially become my best friend. He comes to all of the BD parties. He comes to my birthday party. I go to his. He's a really nice guy. And essentially what he wanted to create was a simple trend trading strategy with the binary destroyer. And what he worked out when he was fiddling with the arrows and adjusting the settings of the MACD and the binary destroyer was by changing the arrows. So essentially these arrows confirm a trend. So obviously if we were to take a buy with these green arrows, because it's an uptrend, most of them will win. As you can see here, would have got a few pips. This one, you would have got a few pips. Obviously here we are below the moving average, so we're looking for sales. Again, all these arrows would have won. Every single arrow would have won. Okay, again, we're now in an uptrend, so that arrow would have won because it's an uptrend. That arrow would have lost. This one would have won. You know, just going for a few pips. As you can see, buys with the trend. Okay. Nice, simple, clean. Now, what Michael Austin discovered was if you line it up with the MACD of the binary destroyer, it actually confirms a pullback in a trending market. So we have the arrows which confirm a trend, and then we use the MACD to confirm a pullback. And what Michael Austin discovered was a very, very simple, powerful trend trading strategy. So to give you an example of this setup here, what we essentially have, or what are the rules of the Mogwai Reversal strategy, is simply this. If we're above the moving average, we're looking for buys. So great, we're looking for buys. I'm looking for an arrow to confirm an uptrend. As soon as we get that, we then wait for a pullback, which is confirmed by the MACD. As soon as the MACD has gone oversold, we wait for the TCA line. If I zoom in here, the TCA line has gone from red to green. As you can see, this line here goes green, 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 uptrend, red, downtrend or pullback, green, uptrend. So we take a trade as soon as it goes green, stop loss, you know, sensible stop loss. Give you an example here. If I put a stop loss like this here, okay, you target a minimum 1 to 2. On this particular occasion here, this trade went, well, I mean, look how much this trade went, okay? Like I said, today we've done over 100%. It is a very, very, very simple trend trading strategy, okay? It is unbelievable. Now, what's good about this, okay, is trading with the trend is never a bad thing. There's not a single bad thing about trading with the trend. If you're trading with the momentum, you're trading with everybody else, you are statistically going to make money. Well, I can't really say that, but you are more likely to make money trading with the flow, trading with the momentum, trading with the trend, than you are trying to trade against it. There is nothing bad about trading with the trend. If you trade with the trend, you are putting the best chances of staying consistent in your favor. And this strategy is such a simple strategy. Now, this involves no price action, zero. No support and resistance, no imbalances, no fair value gaps, no supply and demand zones, no Fibonacci retracement levels. It is simply following the rules, and that is it. Now, there are two ways you can trade this. Michael Austin's way or my way, okay? Now, why are there two different ways of trading this strategy? There's a very good reason for this, and it comes down to individual traders. Based on emotion. Remember what I always say, trading is based on emotion. Everyone has different strengths and weaknesses in trading. So Michael Austin with this strategy will always go for a minimum 1 to 3. Always. Minimum 1 to 3. If you look at some of the setups, let's just have a look at USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD was some trades we took today. Okay, there was a nice little buy here. So again, we're above the moving average. Okay, we've had the Mogwai signal. The MACD's gone oversold. Okay, look at this one. This trade, again, went to a minimum 1 to 3. Minimum. Okay? Again, here, again, it goes into an uptrend. Again, we've got a nice little sell just here as well. So again, downtrend. We're below the moving average. Okay? Mogwai signal confirms downtrend. MACD. Gone overbought. We take a sell. Okay? So Michael Austin will go for a minimum 1 to 3 with this. I mean, to give you an example here, if you get a good day where currency pairs are trending, a good day where all the currency pairs are trending, you can rinse out. You wouldn't believe the amount of percentage, like I said, Michael Austin, 22% in one day. That BD member passed a funded challenge in 1 day, 7 hours. If a currency pairs are trending, you will rinse out. I mean, look at this one, right? Look at that one, bang. You would have just killed it on that one. On that one trade, 4% done. Okay, let's look at USD Chef. Have we got any setups on USD Chef? Okay, so we're in an uptrend. There's no setup there. Price is going sideways. Let me find you a setup on Aussie US dollar. Aussie US dollar. Okay, here we go here. Right, look at this one. Here's a good example. Look at this. Ready? Watch this. Ready? Look. Downtrend, Mogwai signal, MACD overbought. Look at that one. Watch this. Watch this, because this happened today. This happened today. Okay, stop loss, 5 pips. 5 pips. Okay, look at the amount of pips you would have made on that one particular trade. Just look at that. Look at that. What's that? 5 pip stop loss, 40 pip take profit, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's like a 1 to 8. You would have made 8%. Okay, USD CAD today, again, another 4%. It's like 12%. Done. Done. Think about that. Just passing a prop firm in 2 challenges. Now, again, going back to what I said about why are there 2 ways of trading this strategy. So essentially, Michael Austin will go for a minimum 1 to 3. Okay, he will use a tight stop loss. So if we go back to Aussie US dollar, okay, what Michael Austin will do is Michael Austin will go for, he will essentially take every single pullback. Okay, so here, let me rephrase that. Essentially, what Michael Austin will do is he will go for a tight stop loss, minimum 1 to 3. Okay, so 5 pip stop loss, he will go for 1 to 3. Okay, so there you go there. He will win 3% there. He will then wait for the next pullback, as you can see there. Trend down, pullback. There you go there. Another 3%. So he would have made 6% now. Okay, here we go here. Trend down, pullback. Where's the MACD? MACD's gone over there. Again, another 3%. So he's now made 9%. 9% off Aussie US dollar. Same again. Trend down. Where's the pullback? Somewhere around here. He would have got stopped out. So now he got stopped out. He would have made 8%. So just in that one move, he would have took 3 trades, 4 trades, 1 to 3. He would have made 8%. He would have won 3 and got stopped out at the bottom here. Okay? That's how Michael Austin trades. So he will get loss and a big win. Loss, big win. Or on this particular occasion, because today's been good, win, 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 win. Thank you very much. 8% done. Now, I tend to go for a slightly different way, and the reason being is because I have a larger trading account. So let's say if I have 100 grand, well, I do have 100 grand, 100 grand funded account, and I have a 100 grand personal account. Essentially, 1% of 100 grand is £1,000. So I only realistically need to make 2% a day, 2 grand a day. That's all I need to make. 2 grand a day is 10 grand a week, is 40 grand a month. Okay, just making 2%. Yes, making 8% is nice. I'm not saying it's not, but I'm not greedy. I'm happy with 2 grand a day. Who isn't? Who's not happy with 40 grand a month? That's what I'm saying. So I tend to go for a slightly different approach. So essentially, my approach is this, okay? So when I take a trade, I won't go for a tight stop loss. I tend to go for a wider stop loss. The reason being is because and this is logic sense, and you'll understand what I'm doing here, okay? There are 24 hours in a day, and we're not trading for 24 hours, we are trading for 1 hour of that day, okay? So during that 1 hour trading session, I want to win trades. I don't want to lose trades, because if I lose trades, you get frustrated and you end up giving up, and then you end up forcing trades, you end up chasing trades, okay, which is a bad thing to do. So what you want to firstly do is not lose trades, not get stopped out. Okay, I don't want to be stopped out and lose trades, because then I feel like I have to force trades. So number one key is not get stopped out. During that 1 hour of trading time that I'm doing, I want to win my trades. Don't want to lose them. So I tend to go for a wider stop loss. Okay. So I'll probably go for like a 7 pip stop loss on this one, compared to Michael Austin, which will probably be about 3 pips. Michael Austin will literally go for about a 3 pip stop loss. Okay. I will go for a 7 pips, because I don't want to lose my trade. As soon as the trade goes to a 1-to-1, okay, which will be here, 7 pip stop loss, 7 pip take profit, I will move my stop loss to break even and lock in profit. So I'll close off maybe 60% of the trade. I start to manage it. Now, at this point here, I'm risk-free. Whatever happens today now, I've made money. And I'm now in a risk-free trade. So from a full-time trader perspective, I couldn't ask for anything more. I've made my money. Thank you very much. I'm still in a trade. It's risk-free. Let's manage it. Okay. So I start to manage my trade. As the trade comes down and I start to get 14 pips, which would be a 1-to-2, I close the trade off. I would have made around a 1.5%. Now, 1.5% for me is 1,500 quid. Done. Thank you very much. Okay. So there's different ways to trade this strategy, and there is no right and wrong way, right? It is a very simple, basic trend trading strategy and extremely powerful. The only thing that is not going to make you profitable with this is, first of all, letting your emotions come into play. It's easy sitting there and saying, oh, look, this trade would have made 8%. In reality, would your emotion let you handle 8%? You know, as soon as the trade, I mean, give you an example here, right? Let's say you take a trade just here. You take a sell and you notice how price starts pulling back here. Would you have the nerve to hold this trade open? And that's the thing. Most people start to panic when they see trades going against them, right? So essentially, yes, you can make some very big pips, but again, it all comes down to the personal touch on your strategy. You know, do you go for my method, which is just, you know, go for a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, manage the position, or do you go for Michael Austin's way, which is I'll take the losses, but I know long term when I get a win, it will be a big win. You know, so there's different ways of trading it. Now, why should you trade this going forward? First of all, trading with the trend is never a bad thing. I recommend it to anybody. If you're going to trade with the trend, do it. Okay, it's not a bad thing. Secondly, it will teach you a lot about how about how currency pairs work, the mechanics on how currency pairs work. Because essentially, okay, if I just get rid of this here, and I hide the binary destroyer, just watch the charts, okay? Watch the charts. So essentially what we have here, if I make this white, we have an uptrend, we have a pullback, we have an uptrend, we have a pullback, we have an uptrend, then we have a lower low, okay? Then we have a pullback, lower high, then we have a lower low, and then we have a lower high, and then we come right back up. If I just go up here, see how we got a nice area of resistance just there? Essentially, a break and retouch, okay? So trading this strategy will teach you a lot about the simple mechanics on how trading works. Support and resistance, lower lows, lower highs, trends. Now, you don't have to learn about support and resistance. You don't have to learn about, you know, break and retouches like this here. But again, it will help you going forward with this strategy. If we just look at USD CAD, which I took this morning with the BD members, okay? Again, where was that set up? Here. So again, essentially, just look at this particular strategy here, set up here. So we had an uptrend, we had sideways, we had an uptrend, we had a pullback, we had an uptrend, we had a pullback, okay? And eventually, somewhere around here, there's an area of support, just a slight touch there. But this is a simple trend trading strategy. And when you actually put it together, you go, it makes sense, okay? And again, you've got a nice area just here. So you've got an area just there, okay? And again, you've got an uptrend. So uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. So you can see now why the Mogwai strategy is such a really good strategy to trade. Now, both of these setups were winners, okay? There's actually two setups here. If I bring up the Mogwai Reversal strategy, you will see there's this one here. So you've got an uptrend, Mogwai signal, pullback, buy with the trend. And essentially, you've got another one just there, okay? So probably somewhere like this there. Again, 7 pip stop loss is not too big. Target 14 pips. So this trade is currently, there we go there, just coming up to 14 pips with this setup here. So there's two back-to-back setups here, both confirmed by support and resistance, trend trading. Both of them are potentially going to a 1 to 2. You can either, but there's so many different variations you can do with this strategy. You can either think, right, okay, I'll take the one trade here and I'll keep riding it all the way up, or do you take two trades? Again, there's so many different variations you can do with this strategy, okay? You can either go for the big wins, taking every single pullback, or you can take one pullback and ride the trend. You can go for a tight stop loss, big risk reward, or, you can go for a wider stop loss so you don't get stopped out as much. You have a higher win ratio. But obviously, you're not going to get the big 5, 6. Well, you could get the 5, 6, or 7% return. But essentially, that's the Mogwai Reversal strategy. Again, USD/JPY. Look at that setup here. This was a set. In fact, there's two. Look. There's literally, this is today. Look at this one here. Okay, look at these ones here. So I'm just going to pop this like this here. I didn't take this one, but I took this one. Okay, so essentially just follow price all the way up. So again, watch this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this like this there. Okay, there we go there, where the MACD is. Okay, I'm going to put another one just here as well. Okay, so again, watch this here. Ready? Watch this. If I just put this like this here. So watch this one. You ready? Uptrend, pullback. Okay, MACD's gone oversold just there. Mogwai signal confirms buy. Ride the trend up. Creates that new high just there. Price pulls back. MACD goes overbought again. You've got a Mogwai signal just there. Ride it up here. Same again. MACD goes overbought just there. Mogwai signal confirms the trend. So essentially you have 3 back-to-back setups. But like I said, going forward, there's so many different variations you can trade this based on personal preferences. You can either take the first pullback and ride the trend all the way up, move in a stop loss, trailing stop loss, or you can think, okay, I'll go for 1 to 2 on this setup, then I'll enter the second pullback, I'll make another 2%. I can enter the third setup, make another 2%. So I'm now up 6%. I'll take this one. There ain't no setup here. There is a setup just there, actually. Just there. And get stopped out. Okay? So, you would have made 6% there. You would have got stopped out at 1%. You would have made 5%. Done. Or you can just take the trade at the bottom there and just ride it all the way up. Again, so many different variations. This is why so many people have so much success with it, because it's very, very simple and it suits different emotions with trading. Some like using a trading stop loss and having the confidence to ride the trend. Some people just want to get in and out. That is it. They just want a simple trend trading strategy. They want to make 10 pips and that is it. That's why it's so successful. And just to prove the point that I'm saying, this is right now in the Telegram group. Just want to read it to you. My Friday setups 2 are, so 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, 4% profit, but only 1% profit in my account, building my confidence to let the trades run all the way. So exactly what I said. Okay, the only thing that's going to stop you from not being successful is you having the confidence to hold trades with the trend. And as this particular member said, he would have made 4% on his setups, but he only made 1%. And as you can see here, same again, trend down, pull back, ride the trend. Trend down, pull back, ride the trend. Again, no, that one's a loss, okay? And again, trend down, ride the trend. Look, always a minimum 1 to 2. That one's a loss as well. That one's a winner. And again. And this one, what's this one from? This one would have been a winner if I had taken it. There you go there. Do listen to what I say because I do speak sense, okay? Hope you enjoyed that video.